Hi there guys, Mark Gossage here of markgossage.com. Welcome to my 1 minute app review. Here we are. It's a fantastic product, 1 minute app. It says it all. This is going to create apps easily and super fast. It really is easy to use. You're going to have a blast with this. Everybody knows upsell. Business owners want them and they're going to pay you a lot of dollars for them, and you can create them, as it says, in a minute. It really is as easy as that. So if you want to tap into a growing $800 billion industry, this is going to make it so easy. Brand new, one-click, cloud-based mobile app builder, and it's going to let you create an unlimited amount of apps that can be downloaded onto iOS and Android mobile phones. So yeah, doesn't matter what mobile you've got, you can download that app. If you've got a smartphone, everybody's good to go. It's as simple as that. You won't need no techie skills, no coding, no developers. There's no outsourcing with this. You just create the app and that's it. Sell it to your clients. It's as easy as that. And you're going to think, well, where do I sell it? What do I do? Don't worry, I've got you covered there. I've got bonuses that really are going to make it super simple to shift these apps fast. It really, really will. Now, if you want to get in on this market, ever growing, this is the product that you need. 1 minute app, okay? It's all here. It's at its lowest price. It hasn't launched yet as I'm making this video. I'm hoping to get it out there super fast. Now, I was hoping to take you straight on over and give you a sort of behind the scenes look, show you how it works, what it does, everything like that. But when I went to log in, the password I had stopped working. I'm not sure what's happened. Someone's changed it or something. So I'm doing this super fast. Once I get a new password that works, I'll make another review video, okay? If I can get one today, I will sit down and go through it again, because it's a super app. It really, really is. It's showing you so easy to make money. Everybody knows what these mobile apps are. Everybody understands why businesses want them, why they need them, and why they're willing to pay top dollar for them. Now, anybody can make them using this software. As it says, you don't need a developer. You don't need to outsource it and pay ridiculous prices. Instead, you just create it in around a minute, and that is it. You just click the cash, give them the app. Simple as that, okay? So it really, really is absolutely easy. In the sense, as easy as choosing a template. They're going to give you 30 done-for-you templates. So you've got different templates here, not just stuck with one template thing doesn't really fit this business or anything like that. You've got 30 there. It covers near enough any business in any niche. It's as simple as that. All you need to do is simply choose the one you need, load it up, and just fill in the blanks basically. And it's saying here, step 2, customize it. Easy to use, drag and drop editor, gives you total control so you can tweak your mobile app until it's perfect, and it doesn't take long. Publish it, and that is it. Once you're happy, hit publish, and it's going to create it for you. It's ready to be viewed, it's ready to be downloaded, it's ready to go around the world, it's ready to go on people's smartphones, okay? It really is that simple. It really is going to take you to a massive business. It really is. For the people that are willing to put the work in and don't believe they can make it in 60 seconds, you're willing to put that work in. It's simplified it, okay? You're willing to put a few hours a day in, 5 or 6 days a week, you're going to make top money. You can just do an hour a day, half hour a day. It's up to you. It's your business. You work it when you want. You can do it part-time, full-time, anytime. So it's here, all on the sales page, which is as simple as coming over, have a look, and lock it in. And of course, the sooner you get here, the lower the price. It's as easy as that. All you need to do is click on that link, very first link below this video. If you're on YouTube, click on that, come straight on over, have a quick look through, and make sure you hit on that buy button, okay? Everything you need to succeed here, as it says. It really, really is, okay? And it's going to be on sale for around $15, yeah? 15, not 15, not 100, $15. The price will be rising, as you can see. There is a countdown here, okay? I know it says 000, that's because it hasn't launched yet. Once it launches, that countdown, it'll be ticking away and the price will be increasing. So the faster you get there, the cheaper you get it. It's as simple as that. The lower the price, everything there. It's easy as hitting any of these buttons on the sales page. It tells you all about it. It shows you how people are making money with it. Everything here, okay? So if you want to build apps easily, this really is for you. Now, all there, it's going to give you unlimited iOS and Android apps to create. You're going to get a commercial license so you can sell those apps that you create. Choose from over 30 templates. There's no App Store or Play Store approval needed. You just pay. The client pays, you give them the app. It's as simple as that, and they put it on the site to download. You convert any website into fully fledged apps in under 2 minutes. Design your mobile app with ease with a drag and drop editor, and you won't need any techie skills or experience. I say no experience, full training, doesn't take long. It really is super simple. An hour, you'll know exactly what you're doing. You really, really will. You don't need to pay or register a developer account, anything like that. This is a software. Go through the training, fill in a few blanks, your app's created. It's as simple as that, okay? And you can monetize them with Google Ads, things like that. Your mobile apps work in any niche, and you can send unlimited notifications to users' phones and lock screens, okay? Your apps are going to work with any mobile device, any smartphone, I'd say. Your apps will have unlimited SSL encryption, and they're going to be fully SEO optimized, and you've got 24/7 support, okay? 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, all year round support. So if you've got a problem, you find there's a glitch or you're not sure what you're doing, get in touch with support and they're going to help you out pronto. It's as simple as that. There's a load there. So for those of you that want to sort of get the ball and run with it, this is a home run. It really is. It's going to make it so easy for people that want to make money online. Bonus one, they're going to give you infinite webinar. You're going to be able to create webinars very easily. What a way to sell high ticket products. What a way to sell your apps, things like that. Get on that. Learn to use a webinar software and you're really going to be ramping up your sales. You're going to get the Insta Profit app. This is going to make it easy for you to get traffic instantly, near enough. You've then got the Affiliate SE, as it says, the world's first automated affiliate review site. It builds and earns a commission for you completely on autopilot in 60 seconds. Absolutely massive. If you want to do sort of reviews and that, this is the software that is going to make it simple for you. Flipper Cash Secrets. This has only been sold, they're saying, on Flipper for 10 months, and they've done over 70k in business, okay? On Flipper for 7 months, flipping sites. You'll be able to flip sites, flip, your apps and everything there. Bonus 5, internet marketing methods as a case study, how they made 3 figures income per week without having an email list, paid traffic or anything like that. It's going to go through everything there. Facebook group, you're going to get free access to that customers only Facebook group where people that like yourself mingle. You'll be able to help each other out. You'll find out what other people are doing, how they're making money and things like that. If they've got a problem, you'll be saying, well, yeah, and you'll see how they're getting around it or what they're doing. Everything's in there, okay? It's all there for you. You're getting 100% money back guarantee, so nothing to worry about. 30 days, give it a run. Super simple, all there. So it's a long sales page. I'm not going to go through all of it there. As I say, click on that first link below the video here, very first link, and what it'll do, it'll bring you on over to my bonus page, okay? Looks exactly like this. Really there. As you can see, there's a timer. I'd hate for you to miss out on my bonuses, so make sure you get on it over and grab them ASAP, okay? It tells you a bit more about the 1 Minute app, okay? I'll put some in there. I'll put the upsells in there, $22. I believe you're going to get it for around $15 if you get there super fast. And if you get to click off the page, I'll show you in a minute, it'll give you $2 off. That should bring it down to around $15, but $22, it's a giveaway. Unlimited, you want unlimited, $39. Done for you, $197. You've got the done for you traffic. If you're a bit worried about generating traffic, it's going to be $57. And then you've got the front end 67, you've got the reseller 197 and the white label 997. So white label, if you want that, you can make this all your very own. You'll be able to resell the software as if it were your own, rebrand it, rename it, sell it to other people that want to create apps. Hey, you know, do you want this software? You resell it, 997, and you're in the driving seat. You've got a massive potential in that business. You can sell the apps, you can sell the software that creates the apps. It really is good to go there. Now, if you come down my bonus page, you'll see as you go down, tells you a bit more about it. There's a little welcome video here that I've managed to get. They'll show you and run you through what the app does. Okay, click on there. Let me just get closer to the screen and have a look. Yep. Just under 6 minutes, 5 minutes 46, I believe. So 5 3/4 minutes. And it'll take you through there. It'll show you the app in action. It's as simple as that, okay? So if you want to watch that 1 minute app in action, that is the video to watch. And as you come down, you'll see that I've added bonuses that are going to make it easy to convert this app into cash and also give you some more businesses to make money with. My first one is how to make money as a freelancer selling your services. Your full in-depth training, video training, everything there. So that's where to sell your apps and any other services that you want to include to make even more money. It's all there, all waiting for you. Bonus 2, it's about setting up your gigs on Fiverr the right way for maximum profit. So, you know, Fiverr now, everybody's heard of it. There's a lot of people buying on there. You've now got your app business on there. Set up your gig the right way, and this is going to show you how to do it. Okay, so that's in there as well. Massive bonuses, videos, everything. Then my next one, to make sure that you're going to make even more money, this is the how to make money online, the easy way. I'm giving you the full video training and more. This is going to make it easy to make money online with other items as well. You're not just going to be tied into the app business. You're going to really be able to hit a home run with a lot of different like businesses there. Okay, you'll be able to turn your business into a massive machine. Then Tumblr, social media, Tumblr. People have heard of it. A lot of people don't use it for marketing. Absolutely fantastic. This is going to show you the free and easy way to generate traffic from Tumblr for your apps, for anything. If you know, just you want traffic, you've got that Tumblr bonus. Then I've added in my make more money by getting more traffic, more exposure and everything there, okay? You're going to get these powerful viral marketing secrets that are going to get you that viral traffic. So it's all there, all waiting for you. And it's as easy as clicking on any of these buttons here on my bonus page, and what they will do, they'll take you straight on over to the sales page once it's live, and you'll be able to lock everything in at its lowest price. So that's 1 minute app. I did say I'd show you about the sales page, so let's get back over to the sales page here. And what happens is, it only happens once. If you watch my cursor there, my pointer, it goes off, nothing's happening. You're going to say, well, what's happened? It only works once. So what we need to do, refresh the page. So I'm going to reload it. And when we go to go off, there you go, $2 discount, bang, that's in there now, okay? And as you can see, this is launching in 3 hours, 26 minutes. So I'm going to sort of cut this short now. I'm going to get off. I'm going to get this video up on YouTube, get it in front of you. I don't want you to miss out. I want you to get this at the lowest price. And as you've seen, as long as you do, you're going to get it with my bonuses. As long as I get credited with the sale, all of my bonuses will be waiting for you in the download area. No problems. Okay, all there, all waiting to go, all waiting to help you make even more money. Get on there, become a freelancer, start selling to the crowd, okay? People say it's a hungry crowd. They're looking for you. Once you're on there, they're going to find you, okay? People that want apps, they're looking for you. People that want other freelancing services that you offer, they're looking for you. You've just got to put yourself on there, put yourself out there. And once you get up and running, the money will start to come in. And as people get to know you more and more, your clients and everything, you get more exposure, you're going to be making more money. It's going to start slowly and you're going to ramp it up and build it up. And that's up to you. The onus is on you as to, do you want to do an hour a week? Do you want to do more? Your business, your time, you decide. You can run this part-time, full-time, anytime. It's a massive business opportunity for anybody that wants to run with it. So that's 1 Minute App. And all I can say is thanks for watching. Make sure, very first link below this video, click on that, coming over to my bonus page. Click on any of those buttons, make sure to get credited with a sale, get it at the lowest price, and not only are you going to get 1 Minute App, you're going to get all of my bonuses, not just one of them, each and every one of them. They'll all be waiting for you. So thanks for watching, see you soon, bye for now.